about the another structures of the bacterial cell. First, flagella. Flagella is the outgrowth from the cell wall and it originates from the cell membrane. If we observe the bacterial cell, flagella originate from the cell membrane in the bacterial cell. This structure is concerned with the locomotion or motility in the bacteria. On the basis of number of flagella and its location, bacteria are of different kind. As if flagella is absent, the bacteria is atrichous. If one flagella is present, it is monotrichous. The same way, cephalotrichous, amphitrichous, lophotrichous kind of bacteria are also found. Filament, hook, and basal body. These are the three main parts of the flagella. In its constitution, the flagellin protein is present. In the constitution of the basal body, two pairs of rings are present. That is L, P, S and M rings are present in its constitution. We can observe L and P ring are in association with the cell wall and S and M ring are associated with the cell membrane. So these four rings constitute the structure called as a basal body. Above the cell wall, the structure called as a hook is present. It connects this filament of the flagella with the basal body. Filament is formed of flagellin kind of protein. This flagellin protein is present in the constitution of the filament. This filament has the ability to rotate on its axis, and due to ability of rotation, the filament helps the bacteria in the motility. If we talk about the pili and fimri, they are associated with the outer structure. First, if we talk about the pili, this large number of structures appear on the surface of the bacterial cell, and this is the pili. Pili are long and hollow tubular structure. These are large in number and it mainly concerns with the conjugation process. So, pili are numerous on the bacterial surface and hollow in structure. It is formed of protein called pilin. Now, what is conjugation? Conjugation is the exchange of genetical material between two bacterial cells during the sexual reproduction. Fimri are very small structure associated with the surface only. Fimri is smaller than the pili and very few in number. It is a solid structure which associated with the function of attachment. When bacteria need to attach with the host organism or in the streams with the rock, the fimri help the bacteria to associate or attach with that structure. Ribosomes are also found in the prokaryotic cell. In fact, ribosome is the cell organelle which is found in prokaryotic and eukaryotic both kind of organisms. It is non-membranous cell organelle. In the bacterial cell, ribosomes are found in the cytoplasmic region like this, or it may associate with the cell membrane on the inner side. Ribosome mainly concerned with the protein synthesis in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Ribosomes are formed of two subunits. The small and large two subunits are found in the constitution of ribosomes. The small subunit in prokaryotic cell is 30S and large unit of the ribosome is 50S in prokaryotic organism. The same way, in eukaryotic organism, the small unit is 40S and large unit is 60S. But when small and large unit bind with each other, its collective size become 70S, and in eukaryotic it is 80S. So we always say that in the prokaryotic cell 70S kind of ribosomes are present, and in eukaryotic 80S kind of ribosomes are present. S is a Swedberg's unit for the size of cell organelles. Polysome or polyribosome is a structure formed at the time of protein synthesis. The single mRNA, that is messenger RNA, found from DNA from the nucleus. come outside from the nucleus and locate in the cytoplasm. Two subunits of ribosomes come and attach with the mRNA. So this way, large number of these ribosomes become associated with the mRNA, and the structure is called polysome or polyribosome.